Hey guys, so I am going to be taking this Tarte Shape Tape, and don't kill me because I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. I know there's a lot of raves about that particular brand right now, but this is the only concealer that works for me, so I'm going to use it. Now I'm taking the Morphe the 25B palette, and I'm taking those two nude shades, perfect for setting the concealer, and I'm just going to take that Eco Tools fluffy brush and set the concealer. Now taking my Morphe 35B palette, this colorful one, I'm taking that orange shade right there for my transition color, and I finally got myself a new crease brush. It's not that It Cosmetics sheet crease anymore. I finally got my hands on a Morphe brush. This is the M441, by the way, and I'm just, swiping that across my lid in windshield wiper motions and just making sure things are nice and seamless and blended out. Now I'm taking that red shade in the same palette, taking my Vasanti brush. This is just a more defined crease brush, and I'm just going to, add my second transition color and make sure that's blended. And I'm just going ahead and taking that nice rosy magenta-y pink color and applying that right under the red I applied just to make things more blended. And I'm taking that same brush that I used to apply my orange and blending that out so it looks seamless. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in light beige, I believe, or medium beige. I think it's medium beige. And I'm going to cut my crease with this concealer. I'm just taking this flat brush to cut it with. As you can see, I am lifting up my eyelid so that it is easier to make the cut. As you can see, after I lifted up my eyelid, it just made a guideline to help me sketch out where I want to cut my crease. Guys, right here, that little Urban Decay symbol was attached to the palette and it broke. Oh my god, I was using it as a mirror to apply my stuff and it just fell off. Like, what the heck. But now I'm taking that nude shade from the 35B and setting my concealer. And then I am taking that Forest Deep Green shade and I'm applying my first color to the outer corner. And this is just going to start the halo effect, doing the same thing to the inner corner, just, pressing that on so it just builds up the pigment, builds up the, color, and same thing for the other eye, just repeating the same steps in the same process. Alright, since I have the shadow box already in my hand as a mirror, I am going to take that shade Indo from the palette and apply that as my second halo shade. And this is just a nice, bright, majestic emerald green. And I'm applying that towards the center, but this is not the center shade. I have one more shade to go, but this is the second to the last, if that makes sense. But I am just taking my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that green shade right in the center, and this is just going to be my center shade. This is just what completes the halo effect, and as you can see, it just, it gives that, illusion that it is a halo eye. It's hard to explain, but you know what I mean. Guys, please don't mind me, but I am mouthing the words to I don't even know what song now that I look back at it. But I'm taking my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, that orange shade, and applying this as my lower lash line color, and just blending that out until I get it to the blend that I want it. I did not show this on camera, but I went back into that 35B palette from Morphe and took that same magenta shade that I used for a transition color earlier. Taking that Vivid Brights by NYX yellow liner, I am just going to line the cut crease. And this is just going to add extra dimension, extra, drama. This is just going to be the focal point, pretty much, of my eye look. And yes, I am applied that. Now I am taking that green shade from the same palette, the Zulu palette, and this is just going to be my inner corner highlight. And yep. Taking my NYX matte liquid liner and just drawing a simple line across my lid. I did not want to do a wing today because I wanted to focus on the eyeshadow for this one. But after that, I'm just going to be applying my Demi Ardell lashes in 33 and popping those on. Now I'm taking my Stila lip paint in the shade Ricco and just going to be applying that like so. Nothing special, nothing new, just applying my lipstick. But I am doing an ombre lip, so I'm taking the Colourpop Matte, Ultra Matte, and Love Bug and just popping that on to the center of my lips to make the ombre. But here is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I did reach my goal of 150 subscribers, but my new goal is now 200 by the end of February, so I hope you guys subscribe. Especially if you are new here, please subscribe to your girl, support your girl, especially if you love my content. But again, like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you thought of this video. I'll be sure to make some videos regarding your suggestions, and that is all I have to say. Have a blessed day, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.
Halo, I can see your halo, halo, my halo, halo. Be my ray of sun, burning through my darkest night.